gigs. Took a quick dirt nap, and now I'm back in the booth.